I turned one simple idea into hundreds of digital sales and packaged it for you to copy. To make things simple, I built a digital product business bundle with 5 editable and in-demand Google Sheets templates that you can personalize and sell immediately as yours. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each tracker is designed in multiple themes and includes step-by-step tutorials in PDF and video formats, making it easy to use and even easier to resell. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This bundle is for people who want a ready-made product to sell without the hassle of building everything on their own. Now let's talk money. If you price each template at $10, $15 per tracker or $30, $70 for the bundle, 3 to 5 sales is all it takes to earn back everything you spent. Everything else after that is all profit. Because you're selling files, not physical goods, you only need to upload the files once and then it keeps making money without costing you anything extra. And here's the thing. To keep demand high and competition low, I'm not releasing these all at once, just small batches. When one batch sells out, I'll pause sales briefly to give the first buyers a clean window to launch and scale. So if you're seeing this right now, you're catching this at the perfect moment. Click the link in my description, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment start and I'll send the link straight to you.